Hello friends, welcome to Royal Palace YouTube channel. Sir. Okay friends, in the previous class we were discussing about the determinants. We had seen about the properties of determinants and we had also seen about the examples related to it. Today in this class we shall start with the one of the very useful application of this determinant. What is that? Let us see. Okay, fine. One of the major application of the determinants is we can find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle already you have done in the 10th standard. Okay, so there we are made a simple formula. That only the same thing, the area of the triangle, I can make use of formula and we can solve it. Let us see how it is. Okay, fine. The area of the triangle whose vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Of course, obviously area of the triangle means we require 3 vertices is given by determinant of half into x1, y1 1, x2, y2 1, x3, y3 1. Okay, fine. And one more thing here, there are little bit points what we require to remember. The first thing is always the area of the triangle is positive. Always the area of the triangle is positive. We have to take the absolute value only. Even though if while solving if we get negative value, we have to take it as positive only. That is the absolute value we require. Okay, fine. The second thing is, if area is given, if the area, already the area value is given, we are denoting the area here by del here. Okay, area of the triangle I am denoting it by del. If already the value is given, I will take it as plus or minus. Okay, I will take it as plus or minus value. Okay, I will take both positive and negative values of the determinant. This one note it is. And the last one is determinant, that is area of the triangle formed by 3 collinear points is 0. Now what do you mean by this collinear? What do you mean by this collinear? Collinear, it is very simple. Collinear means points lying on the same line. 3 points lying on the same line, then we say it is an collinear. That means what here, if suppose we are having x1, y1, okay, x2, y2, okay, and here the third point x3, y3. Here we say that 3 points A, B, C are collinear. We say that 3 points A, B, C are collinear. Here area of the triangle will be 0 in this particular cases. Okay, dear friends, area of the triangle will be 0 in this particular case. Now we shall start with the problems related to this particular theme. The first problem, dear friends, the problems are very simple. On this topic the problems are very simple, easily you can solve it. The first one, find the area of the triangle with the vertices. With the vertices he has given x1, y1 that is 1, 3, x2, y2 that is 2, 5 and x3, y3 that is 7, 5 he has given. Now we shall solve it. How to solve it here? That is del equal to, del it is nothing but notation for area of the triangle here. Del is a notation for area of the triangle. Now how to solve it? Del equal to 1 by 2 into, as we know the formula. What is the formula here? Formula is x1, y1 1 by 2 into x1, y1 1, x2, y2 1 and x3, y3 1. That we shall make use here. What we get here? Here it is nothing but here x1, y1, it is our x2, y2 and x3, y3. We shall make use of it. That means what we get? 1, 3 and 1. Since the third column is always 1, 1, 1. Okay, next one x2, y2 that is 2, 5 and then x3 is 7, 5. Now we shall solve it. Very simple it is. What we get here? That is 1 by 2 into, okay, 1 by 2 into 1 into. So what we have? 5 ones are 5 minus 5 ones are 5. Next I will expand along R1. I will expand along R1, or else you can expand along C1, C2, C3 or R2, R3. Anything it is possible. Now here then minus 3 into, I am expanding along R1, minus 3 into what we get here? 2 minus 7 ones are 7. Okay, now the third value plus 1 into what we have? 2 5s are 10 minus of 7 5s are 35. So what values we get now? Which is equal to 1 by 2 into 5 minus 5, it is 0. 0 into 1 we get 0 minus 2 minus 7 that is minus 5 minus 5 into minus 3 that is plus 15 we get. Okay, next one at last, 10 minus 35. 10 minus 35 is minus 25. Minus into this value is minus 25, which is equal to what we get the value 1 by 2 into 15 minus 25. 15 minus 25 means what value we get? That is nothing but here minus 10. And here we are taking the absolute value of it, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 10. The value will be 2 ones are 2 5s are, the value will be 5 square units. That is a required result. Is it clear, everyone? It is a very simple problem asked in your question paper for 2 marks. Okay, fine. Let us move on with the another problem. Next question. It is also asked in your question paper, that is June 2016. Next one. Find the area of triangle. Find area of triangle whose vertices are the values are 2, 7, 1, 1, 1, and 2, 7, 1, 1 and 10, 8. This question was asked in the year March 2019 as well as June 18. March 19 and June 18. So what do you mean by here? March 19 means annual examination 2019 question paper, and June means it is our supplementary Karnataka PU board examination. Okay, well, we shall start with the problem same as it is. What he has given the previous problem, he has given the coordinates x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 coordinates he had given. Okay, 2, 7, 1, 1 and 10, minus it. Just we have to make use of the formula, substitute the values and solve it. Very simple and 2 marks. Dear friends, on this particular topic, compulsory 2 marks, 1 question will be there in your examination. So don't lose this 2 marks. These 2 marks are always in your pocket. Okay, fine. So now that is del equal to what we have, that is 1 by 2 into x1 y1, that is 2 7 1, then 1 1 1, then 10 8 1. So at last, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 into 1 ones are 1 minus 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. Then 7 into minus 7 into what we have here, 1 into 1 minus 10 ones are 10. Then plus 1 into what we get, 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10. Okay, fine. The next value, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 8. 1 minus 8 value will be, that is minus 7. Minus 7 into 2, that is minus 14. Okay. Next one. 1 minus 10. 1 minus 10 will be minus 9. Okay. Minus into minus plus we have. Okay. 9 sevens are 63. That is a value. Next one. Plus of 1 into, that is 8 minus 10. That is minus 2. Minus 2 into value will be minus 2. Now just we have to add it, which is equal to 1 by 2 into okay, the value 1 by 2 into 63 minus 2. The value will be 61. That is minus 14. Okay, plus 14, that is 61. Next one, 61 minus 14 value. 61 minus 14 value, that is 61 minus 14, that is 5. Here 1 we have, that is 11 minus 4, that is 6 7, and here 4 we get. The value is 47, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 47. 1 by 2 into 47. So therefore the last answer is 47 by 2 square units. 47 by 2 into 47 by 2 square units. Okay, dear friends, these were the simple problems related to our area of the triangle. Okay, dear friends, please pause the video to note it down. Okay friends, let us move on with the next problem related to this area of triangle. Okay, fine. In this question we have, if the area of the triangle with vertices minus 2, 0, 0, 4 and 0, k. is 4 square units. Already the area of the triangle, what he is giving? He is given it is 4 square units. Find the value for k. In the previous, just now we had seen that if the area of the triangle is given, then we have to take the value as both positive and negative value. Okay, that we shall see, which is equal to, already the area of the triangle is given. What is that? Which is equal to what is given? Plus or minus 4 square units. According to the formula, just 1 by 2 into determinant of coordinates. What are the coordinates? x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. That we shall write. What we get here? That is minus 2, 0, 1. Next is 0, 4, 1. And then 0, k, 1. 1 by 2 into as it is. In the previous problem, we were writing del equal to. Del, that was a notation for the area of the triangle. But here, since the area of the triangle is given, if the area of the triangle is given, we have to take both positive and negative values. Therefore, we are getting it as plus or minus 4. Now, here just I will multiply 2 here, that is, and I will solve the determinant, that is minus 2 into determinant value. What we have? 4 into 1. Okay, 4 into 1 value, that is 4, minus k. Okay, fine. If I am solving the determinant along first column, only this value is remaining here. Okay, why? Because what we get here, if I am expanding along second value, that is minus 0 into anything will be 0 only, plus 0 into anything will be 0 only, which is equal to plus or minus 8 value. Now I will just solve it. K minus, that is minus 2 into 4, minus 8, minus 2 into k, that is plus 2k. These both values will be 0, and at last what we get here? Plus or minus 8. Okay, dear friends, now we shall take two values of it. One is for plus 8 and one is for minus 8. We'll take it and we shall solve it. What we get here? That is for positive 8, that is minus 8 plus 2k is equal to plus 8. One thing. So what we get here? If I take that side, so what we get? 2k equal to 8 plus 8, that is 16. K value will be 8 itself. That is for plus 8. Next, one more thing, that is for minus 8, that is minus 8 plus 2k equal to minus 8 value. So what we get here? That is 2k equal to plus 8, the value will be 0, k value will be 0. Hence, the k value here in this problem, the k value can be either 8 or the value can be 0 here. Okay friends, this was a very simple problem and yet important also. Now we shall move on with the next problem. Again the same kind of problem here. If the area of triangle, is 3 square units, with vertices he has given, that is 1, 3, 0, 0 and 4, k and k, 0, find k he is asking. Very simple problem it is. Find k. In the same method, what he has given here? He has given us the area of the triangle, and along with that the vertices of the triangle are also given. That means here we have to take the area of the triangle as both plus or minus value. Okay, and as well as the coordinates are given, that is 1 by 2 into determinant of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, that is 1 3 1, x2 y2, that is 0, 0 and then 1, then the last value, that is k, 0 and 1, which is equal to plus or minus, what is the value he has given? Plus or minus 3 here, plus or minus 3 value he has given. Okay, now what we get? I will multiply 3 here, 2 3, that is, and we will expand this determinant. What we get? 1 into, here I will expand along the R1, or you can expand along R2, nothing wrong in that. Okay, 1 into 0 minus 0, the value will be 0 only, minus 3 into 0, then minus k we have. Okay, then plus 1 into 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, which is equal to, I am cross multiplying 3 into 2, that is plus or minus 6. Plus or minus the value is 6. Now I will solve it. That is, here this part will be 0. Minus 3 into 0, that is 0. Minus 3 into minus k, the value will be 3k. Remaining all values will be 0, which is equal to plus or minus 6. Now we shall solve it for plus 6 once and minus 6 once. What we get here, that is k equal to 3k equal to 6 for positive 6, k equal to 2 the value, and again 3k equal to minus 6, k value equal to minus 2. That is the required result. Hence the k value can take either 2 or minus 2, k or minus 2 or minus 2, here this value. Okay, fine. Friends, let us move on with the one more problem related to this particular kind. Okay, it is a little bit different. Asked in March 2014 question paper, Karnataka PU board. Okay, fine. Let us move on with the question. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line passing through the points 1, 2 and 3, 6. 1, 2 and 3, 6. Dear friends, what he is asking here is find the equation of the line he is asking. Since the topic, what is the topic here? Finding the area of the triangle. But what is the question he is asking here? Equation of the line. We had seen one more note just now, that is, we say 3 points are collinear. 3 points are collinear means what? That means all the 3 points lie on the same line. Okay, therefore what we have to take, find the equation of the line passing through 1, 2 and 3, 6. If the points are collinear, then the determinant value is 0. Okay, please remember here, if the points are collinear, then the determinant value will be 0. Now let us take one more point here. Let p of x comma y be the point on the line. That means since here these 3 points, that is x comma y, 1, 2 and 3, 6, these 3 lines are collinear. Collinear means what? Lying on the same line. Lying on the same line means what? The area of the triangle will be 0. Okay, and are collinear, and 3 points are collinear. Points are collinear. So therefore what we have here, determinant value will be 0. That is 1 by 2 into, according to the formula x1 y1, that is I will take xy, the first value as p, then 1, which is equal to the value is 0 here. Next, remaining 2 coordinates 1, 2, 1, and then third coordinate 3, 6, 1. Now I shall solve it. The problem is very simple and it is over. What we get, 2 into 0 value will be 0 itself. That is, now we'll solve the determinant x into 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 minus y into 1 minus 3, then plus 1 into 6 minus 6, that is 0, which is equal to the value will be 0 only. Now I shall solve it. What we get here, 2 minus 6, that is minus 4, minus 4x. Then here 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, minus into minus plus, that is plus 2y. Then 6 minus 6, the value will be 0. The value we get is 0. Okay, fine. Now I shall solve it. If I take 2 common here, or else 2y equal to 4x, that implies y equal to 2x. That is a required equation of the line. That is the equation of the line here. Okay, dear friends, this is all about the area of the triangle. It is a very, very simple topic, that is area of the triangle. In the next session, okay, we shall start with the solution of linear system of equations. Solution of simultaneous linear system of equations in 3 variables. That is a very, very important topic for 5 marks problem. Okay, dear friends, please pause the video, to note it down.